So we're going to start in a squat position, and we're going to have our hands up overhead. So we don't want to be really overarching, we want to keep it pretty neutral. If you've got tight shoulders, you might not be able to hold your hands super high, but thumbs up, straight from above to behind. And here, if we straighten out our knees a little, where we're going to feel the tension now, it's more in the hamstrings and the glutes. So we got hands behind, again chest out, holding for the designated time. Then we transition to the last move, and our hands are just going to be hovering over our knees, chest out, shoulders back, holding for the designated time. So with a combination of those three moves, we're building core strength and strength both in the glutes, a little bit in the quads and also the hamstring. Good isometric training to build the foundation of your strength.